Authentic arroz rojo. A delicious Mexican salsas y garnitions recipe. This recipe serves 6 servings. Preparation takes about 15 minutes. And cooking takes around 35 minutes. Here is what you'll need. 2 cups long grain white rice, 1/3 cup vegetable oil, 3 large Roma tomatoes, a quarter piece white onion, 2 cloves garlic, 1 tablespoon chicken bouillon powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 3.5 cups chicken broth, 2 medium carrots, a half cup frozen peas. Step 1. Place the raw rice in a fine mesh strainer and rinse under cold water for 2 to 3 minutes until the water runs completely clear. This removes excess starch and prevents the rice from becoming sticky. Step 2. Spread the rinsed rice on a paper towel-lined tray and let it dry for at least 10 minutes. Frying wet rice will cause it to steam rather than toast. Step 3. In a blender, combine the chopped tomatoes, onion, garlic, and a half cup of the chicken broth. Blend until completely smooth. Step 4. Pour the tomato puree through a fine mesh sieve into a bowl to remove seeds and skins, ensuring a silky texture for your rice. You should have about 2 cups of liquid. Adjust broth amounts later if needed. Step 5. In a heavy-bottomed pot or deep skillet with a tight-fitting lid, heat the oil over medium-high heat until shimmering. Step 6. Add the dried rice to the hot oil. Stir constantly but gently for 8 to 10 minutes. The rice should turn from translucent to a beautiful golden tin color and sound like sand hitting the sides of the pot. Step 7. Carefully tilt the pot and spoon out any excess oil, leaving just enough to coat the grains. Step 8. Pour the strained tomato puree over the toasted rice. It will hiss and steam. This is normal. Cook, stirring frequently, for 2 to 3 minutes until the liquid has reduced and the tomato mixture darkens slightly. Step 9. Add the remaining chicken broth, bouillon powder, salt, diced carrots, and the whole serrano peppers. Stir once to combine. Step 10. Bring the mixture to a rolling boil. Once boiling, place the cilantro bundle on top and scatter the piece over the surface. Step 11. Reduce the heat to the lowest possible setting. Cover the pot tightly with the lid. You can wrap the lid in a clean kitchen towel to create a better seal. Step 12. Simmer undisturbed for 20 minutes. Do not lift the lid or stir the rice during this time, as the steam is essential for even cooking. Step 13. After 20 minutes, turn off the heat but keep the lid on. Let the rice rest for 10 minutes. This allows the moisture to redistribute. Step 14. Remove the lid, discard the cilantro sprigs and the serrano peppers, unless you want to eat them. Gently fluff the rice with a fork, lifting from the bottom to avoid breaking the grains. And that's it. For the full recipe with exact measurements, visit dishwiz.info.